So if you're after a proper, portable and powerfully flexible skinny laptop for taking absolutely everywhere you roam, well, definitely consider the Acer Chromebook Spin 513. This dinky Chrome OS machine is powered by the Snapdragon 7C, which allows for dependable performance despite the impressively skinny design, as well as outstanding battery life. And you don't need to be proper minted to afford one either, because the Spin costs from 349 quid from online retailers like Amazon, as well as high street sensations John Lewis, Curry's PC World, etc, etc. Oh, and also Acer loves a bit of nature, so if you buy yourself a Chromebook Spin 513, Acer will plant 100 fresh new trees on your behalf. So you can feel a bit better about yourself the next time you make a bonfire out of old plastic chairs or accidentally kick a badger in the face when you're taking the bins out. It's okay, you're a certified bona fide friend of the planet because you bought a Chromebook Spin. So let's take a look at this mini laptop, and a big thanks to Acer for sponsoring this video. Now let's start with the design, and the Chromebook Spin 513 is roughly A4 sized and slender enough to slide into basically any backpack out there. Even my daughter can cram this thing into her bag once you take out all the stuffed toys and other kid crap. See, nice and easy, just like that. Hey, wait a minute, what the, huh? And the Chromebook Spin weighs just 1.2 kilos as well, so even if you're carrying it about all day long, it won't exactly be snapping your shoulders. And despite the super dinky finish, you've got dual USB Type-C ports, one on each edge, and Acer has somehow even found room for a USB 3.2 Type-A port. You can use USB to hook up supported external displays if you like, although sadly there's no dedicated HDMI support. And yet another advantageous feature of the Chromebook Spin is the convertible design, which allows you to snap that screen all of the way back to turn this laptop into a makeshift tablet. This is a great way to relax with some YouTube videos on the sofa, especially those featuring some baldy northerner banging on about tech. Highly recommended that. Alternatively, if you can't be bothered to employ your arm muscles, then you can transform the Spin into tent mode, which may sound like trouserial hijinks, but it's actually a very convenient way to enjoy some video or get all sketchy when you have a flat surface going spare. Now, Acer has also packed a 13-inch IPS display into that compact chassis, surrounded by pleasingly skinny bezels. It's a full HD panel, so visuals are sharp enough for photo editing and other creative tasks, while the detail levels are more than satisfactory for enjoying a couple of episodes of your favourite Netflix show. You've got full touch support, kind of essential when you switch to the tablet or tent modes, plus that touchscreen is protected by Gorilla Glass to help keep scratches at bay. You've got some stereo speakers built into this thing, and I love how you've got a volume rocker on that side of the laptop as well, really bloody useful when it's transformed into a tablet. The Chromebook Spin 513 also sports a chiclet keyboard stretching almost the full width of that compact frame. You've got the full selection of Chrome OS shortcuts, and those keys are well sized, with decent travel as well considering the skinny build here. You've even got a proper double row enter key, hallelujah. Backlighting is a luxury that will cost you a bit extra, however, and it's definitely an essential feature if you want to stay productive in the evenings without disturbing your bed partners or what have you. I guess bed partner instead of bed partners, unless you had a really good night. You've got Wi-Fi 5 support here for your internet fun times. And if you've got a bit of extra cash to spare as well, you can also grab the Acer Chromebook Spin 513 with a SIM slot, so you can leap online wherever you roam with a bit of cellular connectivity. Because yeah, nothing's really worse than being stuck alone in a motorway travelodge with nothing but crappy hotel Wi-Fi to depend on for streaming a good bit of Squid Game. And if you love a bit of Zoom shenanigans, and let's face it, who doesn't? Well, good news, you've got a built-in HD webcam just up here above the screen, and also two built-in microphones to help clearly pick up your voice. Hip hip huzzah. Now, the Acer Chromebook Spin 513 is powered by the Snapdragon 7C computer platform. With this kind of performance, you can literally have dozens and dozens of tabs open in the Chrome browser at the same time. Again, perfect for those lonely nights in the Travelodge. The Spin has no troubles running any Chrome OS apps out there, and it can merrily indulge in some gaming on the side as well. And the Snapdragon 7C is impressively energy efficient, to the point where the Chromebook Spin can just keep on going and going and going like that god-awful pink bunny thing from the Duracell ads. So yeah, Acer really isn't kidding when it promises all-day battery life for this thing. It reckons up to 14 hours of use on a single charge. And I personally found that with my mixed use, mostly working in that Chrome browser with several tabs open and streaming a good bit of music in the background, occasionally taking little video breaks on Netflix, I got at least 10 hours of use on a single charge before I needed to plug the Chromebook back in. So that right there in a nutshell is the Acer Chromebook Spin 513, and as you can see, if you want a slim, light, highly portable machine for taking out and about, it's going to last you all day long with dependable performance as well, then it's definitely worth a punt. So big thanks again to Acer for sponsoring this video, and if you want more on the latest and greatest tech, please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell, and have yourselves a fantastic rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you.